You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. We've got tons of them at the end of the video, so there is a bit of a problem here. I mean, it's not a problem, but for the pronunciation, kind of is. There's different origins for this name. It's essentially the Greek name Helen, okay? But it's the Welsh or Dutch or Scandinavian, so Swedish, Danish, Icelandic version of the name Helen from Greek, a girl's name. Therefore, in English, there are two different pronunciations. Elin, which sounds more like Helen, okay? Elin, or Elin, and that depends on every individual or their origin, their language of origin, or their ethnicity. You could call it, whether they're from Welsh or north of Europe. Elin or Elin. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we all know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.